Hey, what's up everyone? This is Daniel again. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on our Toyota Tundra. This will be the same process for 2007 to present. So this entire process is pretty straightforward. We're going to open up the glove box, and inside the glove box you should have a tray in place. This tray is clipped down on the right and the left side. So on the right side there are little tabs that you just want to lift up on, and there's two little clips holding it into place. And then on the left side, if you put your hand in the middle of the tray and then sort of work it to the left as you're pressing upward, pull it straight up and it should just unclip pretty easily. And then there's what the clip looks like on that left hand side. As far as the clips on the right hand side, they were actually already broken off, which is a little unfortunate, but not a huge deal. Once we have that tray out of place, we will remove this cover here. This cover says to slide it up. So we're going to slide it up and then we're going to pull it off to the right hand side. And it has to slide out because of these tabs, which are on the left hand side of the actual cover. Once that's out of the way, there are two clips on the actual cover for the filter. You just want to push those in and it should unclip automatically. And then once we have that, we can remove our filter. So you can currently see that this filter has arrows on it pointing up. The airflow indeed does flow downward. I believe those arrows are on that OEM filter, just letting you know how to put the filter in. So you can see here on our new filter, it is a greenish color because it is actually a Hepa filter. I'm trying to keep the air as clean as possible in this vehicle. And you can see here it has the arrow pointing down, which indicates that the airflow must flow through it going downward. So the airflow for this system does come from the top and flows downward. You can see on our new filter that it has foam padding on each end. That is going to help us create a better seal. Now that we have our filter back in place, we'll go ahead and reinstall the cover. So in order to reinstall this cover, you just line up each tab on the right and the left side, and it'll have an arrow on this cover pointing up. You just simply snap that into place. Shouldn't take much effort at all. And then once that is nice and secure, we'll go ahead and grab our cover that we need to slide into place. So when reinstalling this, we want to slide it to the left so that those tabs can slide in there like so. And then we're going to place it into position. Then we're going to just put some pressure on the cover and slide it down to clip it into place. For reinstalling the shelf, it is easiest if you just rotate it into place and then you just press down on the tabs to clip them back into position. Thank you everybody for watching. Please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button for future videos on this vehicle. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share those down below. And be sure to check out the description for any parts that were used in this video. I will be including a Hepa and also a non-Hepa filter in the description for anyone that wants ease in ordering that. Thank you everybody for watching this video and have a wonderful day.